drowsy, feeling very sleepy or tired. I feel drowsy after lunch. He was drowsy in class. Announce. To tell something important to many people. He announced the winner. She announced her birthday party. Tension. A feeling of worry, stress, or pressure. I feel tension before my exam. Too much tension gives me a headache. Crash. To hit something and make a loud noise. The car crashed into a tree. A truck crashed into a bus. Investigate. To look for information. The police investigate crimes. He investigated the lost phone. Lively. Full of energy, fun, and excitement. The party was lively and fun. She is a lively girl who loves to dance. Fasten. To close, tie, or lock something. Fasten your seatbelt in the car. Please fasten the buttons on your coat. Grin. A big smile that shows happiness. He grinned when he won the game. She gave a big grin when she saw her gift. Grab. To take something quickly with your hand. He grabbed a sandwich and started eating. The boy grabbed his toy. Passenger. A person who travels but is not driving. Many passengers were on the bus. The plane was full of passengers.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!